We want to be honest, truthful people.
We want to set a good example.
Yes.
She...
In the sun, when you get some color, you have a little bit of a flush to you. And even if you tan right away. Excuse me.
I just want to show you creepy Garfield. And apparently Elf on the Shelf is so popular. I'm sneezing so much lately.
30 minutes that I have. I'll think about it. Wait, what?
Yummy, yummy! I've sneezed. Oh god, you. I'm allergic to life. Okay, bye.
Oh.
Up afterwards. I can hide these bags and make them think that they've been taken.
My allergies are so bad today. I'm gonna sneeze, maybe. Oh my goodness.
Bad.
Yes, I'm still sick, by the way.
Our fondant logs are ready, now shaped into a rainbow. Oh, something tickled me. Okay.
It's a little Coach lanyard for like, your IDs and card, stuff like that. That's how we do it here.
At the hot spring, you could drink tap water. Allergies, man. Okay.